Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Llano wireless direct mirroring device box. So this is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it. Let me show you what the product comes with, how it works, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So here's the S9 Pro model right here. It comes in two different models, either with the S9 or the S9 Pro. This is the S9 Pro. The S9 Pro has the 4K mirroring capabilities. All you do is just separate them like so. You can see here, this one is the transmit one. Comes with the USB-C plug, and it has a little lanyard here to carry it with your hand. This multifunction button acts as a pair, disconnect, or reconnect. Here's the receiver. See the RX, and they both have 4K capabilities. And then here is another USB-C to plug it in to a USB-A plug to power it on. And here's your HDMI port right here. If you click this button here, this switches the orientation from landscape or portrait mode. They both have vents, so the heat will come out of here, so the device won't get ruined. They have a good weight to it. They're made very well. You could use this with PC, Mac, Android, Apple phones. Here's your HDMI cord right here, 2 males. You have this extension, USB-C cord. And then you have your USB-C to USB-A cord also. So let me show you how to install this. Okay, so when you're ready to install this on your Windows laptop, you're going to install the transmitter to your USB-C port like so. So once you do like that, the good thing about this device is that you don't have to install any drivers, and it connects by itself wirelessly without having to press anything. Next, let me install the one receiver to my TV. So next, I'm going to install the HDMI to the port right here. I'm going to plug it in to my available port on my TV. And then I'm going to attach the power source to my TV also. So once the port is connected, you can see how it says that it's connected. If it was blinking, then that means that it's searching for the one receiver port. But since I have it already installed, the blue light for connected is on. You can see here on the transmit, it's already, the connected light is solid. That means that I'm connected. Once the receiver and the transmitter is connected, on your TV remote control, you're just going to press the source, and then I'm going to switch it to my player 4. And then you can see how clearly and how quickly that my laptop screen is being transmitted to my TV. And you can see when I play a video, hey guys, welcome back. There's no hesitation, no profile pan, and the audio comes directly from the TV. How it works, and then I'll give overall feedback at that. So you can see the LED fan. So this is transmitting in 4K quality, and you could transmit this up to 300 feet. So you can see how well the gameplay is and the quality. I'm playing on my laptop, and you can see it on the TV screen. There's no lag. I'm still getting 4K quality transmission. It's very smooth. All the audio is coming out from the TV. This is also great if you want to show your pictures or presentations from your laptop. You see how smooth everything is. It's in 4K quality also on the laptop and on the TV. Connecting it to your Android phone is very simple. All you got to do is just plug in the USB-C to the USB-C port on the phone. If it's too thick for this, you can use the extender. You plug it in like so, and then you plug it inside here. And now it's going to get connected, and then you're just going to wait until the blinking connected light goes solid, and that shows you that it's connected. You can see my cell phone wallpaper. Automatically it transfers to my TV screen, like so. So you can see here, if you press this icon right here, the cell phone screen turns into a trackpad. From here, my cell phone is acting like a mini computer. I could play different games. I could look at my pictures. I could do Amazon. So you can see the video quality is very good and clear. So you can see the audio is coming from the cell phone, and the video is being projected from my phone to the TV screen. Jay, come over here. So I'm controlling it with my phone. You're even able to mirror your cell phone screen. So you can see every time I swipe, it mirrors your cell phone also. With the transmitter device, you could either mirror your cell phone screen or use the DevX mode and use it as a mini PC. So this is great for office work or for anybody that wants to share their photos to the TV, or even play games on your phone and then at the same time show people on the screen. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great wireless direct mirroring box. I love the build quality on this. It's very easy to install. I also love that this model projects the 4K image from the laptop or cell phone to the TV or monitor. I also like how easy it is to install. I like how seamless that the streaming is from your device to your TV. And this is great for anybody that wants to share their work from their phone or laptop or tablet to a projector or monitor. I also love how you're able to stand up to 328 feet away from the monitor and it still works perfectly. And this is a great product to buy. Thanks for watching.